Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Peter if you are new here, and I mainly specialize in nature photography. Today I'm going to review 4 of my favorite GoPro accessories. I absolutely love the GoPro because of its compact size, even though the image quality is not as good as, for example, with the full frame camera that I'm shooting currently with, but it is such a hassle to carry it around sometimes in the field, so I prefer to use the GoPro instead. The first accessory that I want to talk about is this chesty or performance chest mount that I'm gonna just demonstrate how I normally use. I'm just gonna climb into it. As you can see, it's really tight right now, but you can adjust the strap on the side. But I prefer to have it really tight on my chest because it provides a much more stable footage. That way you can adjust the angle via this little screw. It is obviously compatible with the usual quick release system. The center section is made out of plastic. On the inside it's really well padded for maximum comfort. I have used it for 2 to 3 hours at a time and it never got uncomfortable. I use it for some B-rolls when I want to use a different perspective. Sometimes this POV look that it provides can look pretty cool. I have used it on a number of my drone shoots. So if you are into aerial photography or drone photography, feel free to check out that video as well. It's extremely well built, and that's it. The second accessory that I want to talk about is this Jaws flex clamp. Currently I have this gooseneck attached. It's extremely handy when you want to place your GoPro, for example, on a rail or on a branch. I tend to use it attached or clamped onto the leg of a tripod when I want to use a different angle, again for a B-roll for example. And with this little extension, it's called a gooseneck, which you can just slide into this plate really easily. As you can see, it gives you extra reach. It's essentially the same as you know, one of those what are they called, the Joby GorillaPods. This midsection is made out of plastic and it's really pliable, flexible. It just gives you the opportunity to get to different angles or hard to reach angles. I have used it a number of times in my studio, for example for top-down shots. I clamped this onto the boom arm of my microphone. Also used it a number of times just attached to the handle of my bike. It is extremely well built, again, very sturdy. It comes with this little nifty strap in the middle, and you can adjust, you know, the diameter of the grip as well. It can clamp onto things as thin as 0.5 centimeters or 0.6 centimeters actually, up to 5 centimeters in diameter. This is one of the accessories that I can highly recommend. It's very versatile and it comes handy when you're out in the field as well. You can attach it to essentially anything that you find if you want to get another view of yourself, for example. So it's pretty cool for vlogging as well. All right, what's the next? The GoPro 360 time-lapse device. You can fall asleep listening to that. There's a little base plate there, and then on top of that you can attach the quick release plate. You can attach the case, and then with the case just open it and then put the GoPro in, and there it is. So you can just rotate up to 360 degrees. You can also attach this to, for example, a tripod plate. If you're sick and tired of static shots when it comes to time lapses or night lapses or even videos, then this little unit, this little accessory is pretty handy to have. This is the last and most used accessory of mine that I want to talk about. This is the 3-way grip extension pole plus tripod. On top of that is the Artman vlogging case. I've already done a review of this little unit as well, so please check that out if you're interested. This is another accessory, the 3.5mm audio adapter that I use when I'm out in the field. The inbuilt audio, unfortunately, in the GoPro is so terrible, so I can highly recommend investing into one of these audio adapters because you can attach any kind of microphone, professional grade microphones as well. I use it with my Rode Wireless Go system and it works flawlessly. Anyway, back to this 3-way grip extension. As you can see, you can adjust it and extend it for a kind of selfie stick. In the bottom section there is a removable tripod, and this is what I use when I'm out in the field, not fully extended. This is how I usually place it on the ground. Normally I use it just like this. This is pretty cool for vlogging. This is my absolute favorite and most used accessory. It's water resistant as well, extremely well built, very sturdy. My personal experience with these accessories have been awesome. So feel free to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then please consider subscribing. Stay safe, keep shooting, and see you guys very soon in the next one.